Alright guys, Smoking Bears here. Today we have an unboxing. You've seen me use one of these before. It is the CampChef Explorer 2-burner system. So, Bear Cub, why don't you use the old timer and cut her open and let's see what we got. Alright. Get this side real quick. Alright. Now, let's see what we got. We got instruction manuals. Pull out this big thing here. Look at that.
Oh, what's in here?
So this is the burner system. Give me just a second. Get it out of the bag here, and I'll flip it around.
Fancy, shiny.
Shiny and new. Alright guys. So there's the 2-burner system. See it?
And it's tabletop.
Yes, it can be tabletop if you don't put the legs on. Pretty cool. Got the knobs. Alright. Set that right there. What's in this box?
I don't know. Okay.
Let's set this over here. Old timer. Yep, that's the old timer. Now this model says it comes with a cast iron skillet or griddle, which is what this is. So here is the cast iron griddle. It's got a drip tray up front. And the other side is a griddle pan, so it's got the griddle lines. See that?
Then we got the legs.
And what else is in there?
The legs. And this.
So it's got this little bag, and that's it. No more. That's the end of the box. So now let's open this up and see what's in here. These are the legs, individually wrapped.
Fancy.
And then you have a splatter guard. So now these legs, they have the screw which just tightens up onto the existing leg post, and that's it. You just tighten it down, and that's it. So alright, so that's what it looks like with the legs on it. So now we're going to install the splatter screen. It goes across the back. You open it up, it's got little hinges. It's got this little tabs right here. Zoom in, pay. It's got these little tabs right here. They just slide right on top of that.
That's cool.
It is. So there's some in the back. Looks like this one's got to be pushed out a little bit. I always do the back first. And this one here. There's another one here. And then the sides. Just like that.
That's cool.
Now it's a windscreen and a splatter screen. Now Bear, if you want to put the
Which side?
cast iron, doesn't matter. Then that just lays on top of the burner. Just like so.
It fits perfectly in there.
It does fit pretty good.
So if we had two of these, could we put the other one here?
Yes. You could run another cast iron skillet, Dutch oven, whatever, regular skillet. You can even flip this over.
And
now
toast.
You're ready to do grilled cheese or burgers or whatever you want to do. So go this way. So CampChef Explorer 2-burner stove. It's got your knobs up front. Got your hose for your propane tank. It's got the little hook, so I like to hook it up underneath, just kind of keep it all the way. That is our unboxing and put together of this CampChef Explorer. Let's smoke the bears. family that cooks together stays together.